Alright guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be testing out 3 different types of Meguiar's waxes. First up, we have 1 spray and 2 rub-on. So our first is the Ultimate Quick Wax, and it has hydrophobic polymer technology. The state-of-the-art in spray waxes won't whiten on plastic or trim. So, that is our first wax we're going to be using. I'm going to tape this off after I show you all these waxes. Here's our Meguiar's Gold Class Carnauba Plus Premium Liquid Wax. Doesn't have any claims on the front. Quite weird for him. And then we have a Meguiar's 3-in-1 One-Step Paint Care Wax. It clean, polishes, and protects, removes swirl, water spots, and blemishes, increases depth of gloss and clarity, provides long-lasting protection. We're going to test all those things today. So first, I'm going to go tape this off. Alright, so we're first going to start out with the 3-in-1 wax. So I'm going to read the directions. It says, apply a small amount onto an applicator pad. Work the product in with a light to moderate pressure and overlapping circular motion, leaving a thin, even coat. Alright. I'm going to grab we got a microfiber pad. These are towels we're going to use later to wipe the wax off. So, let's see. Get that to stay. Alright, we're going to apply a tiny bit to the pad. Not that much. Used a clay bar to remove the old wax that was on here. Now, I will say, where I started this channel, I've used this before, and it didn't work the greatest for me, so I'm going to try it again and give it another chance. Alright, that's enough buffing for that. We're going to flip the pad over. Alright, so once we flip the pad over. So, we're going to let that dry. I flipped the pad over. Move that over more so you can see. This is going to be the Carnauba Gold Class. Just says to apply a small amount and then wipe it off with a microfiber towel. That's about as much as I'm going to put. Get over here and wipe it off. I really like the Carnauba wax the best. I've used it a bunch and it seems to work the best. But we'll see. I haven't used this the Ultimate Quick Wax. Never heard of it. I've heard of spray waxes, but not ones like these. Right? So that should be good. So, the directions for the Ultimate Quick Wax are a bit different. Because it's a spray-on wax, of course it's going to be different. So, let's turn the camera this way. I got my microfiber towel. Let's see what we got to do. Make sure the spray is set to the on position. So it says to shake well, apply on the clean surface, mix product onto one section at a time. So it says to spread the product with a clean microfiber towel, and then turn. So I'm going to fold it like this. I'm going to wipe it dry, and then go dry again. Alright? So I'm going to spray this down. I'm going to spray this down. I think that's enough. We're going to go wipe it on, flip it over, and wipe it off. Quite a nice shine, I believe. I'm going to do one more wipe. Make sure it's nice and clean. And there you go. That was using. And those are the immediate results of that. So, flip that over. And alright. So now we're going to focus back on these waxes. See if these are dry. They seem dry enough. You want to buff these waxes out. We'll see. Alright, we're going to base this off reflection here. So, you can see I'm going to try out something here. So we're going to start with the 3-in-1 wax. Reflection's quite good with my hand. You can see yourself in the camera right there. I don't know if you can on camera. Maybe you can. But then we're going to move over here. So you probably can't see, but the untreated surface, the unclean side that I haven't cleaned. So out of all the waxes, the smoothest is going to be the 3-in-1 wax I'm going to go with so far. So we're going to set our waxes in the spot that they need to be. And I am going to tape. I'm going to remove some of this tape. That tape needs to be removed. And testing purposes, not going to remove that tape quite yet. But we're going to see the difference between the untreated and the treated sides between all of these. So since the tape, I don't know what I'm trying to say here, but what I'm trying to say is that since the tape led some of the wax to bleed through, I'm going to go ahead and give it another good wipe right there. Good wipe down. Okay, so I don't know. Let me see if that's picking up on camera. Can't quite see the camera. Well, scooch it closer. Okay. I do that every video. I need to stop doing that. Alright, so you can see on the left, the 3-in-1 wax. The right is their Carnauba. Not much of, there's a big difference between where the wax wasn't applied. So, I found that off there. So tell me which one in the comments is best to you, and then on our, I don't think the Ultimate Quick Wax did as good. Okay, so you probably can't tell, but I can. The difference between this is, almost sure it's that scratch. The Carnauba and the Ultimate Quick Wax, well, hold on just a second. I'm going to change my thought on the smoothest. It's going to be the Quick Wax. It was quite very nice on the smoothness. Alright, so I'm going to go grab a spray bottle of water. We're going to test out. I'm going to let it dry for about an hour or so. And then we're going to test out the water, how well the water beads up on it. Alright, so first up, been an hour. So I'm going to wipe it down with a microfiber towel to make sure we get all contaminants off. Got my spray bottle of water. And we're simply just going to spray it on here. Let me get some water through. Water is beading incredibly well on the 3-in-1 wax compared to the side over here. We can get over here. Let's move the camera over there. I don't know if you can see here, but see how it's splashing up? Not beading as well as the new wax. So next up,